Guys, I have mailed everyone a document. I need someone to make sense out of this raw data in 5 minutes.
5 minutes? This is a 5-day job, sir.
It'll at least take me a couple of days, sir. That too, if I'm able to pull off an all-nighter.
I at least need the day, sir. This is not possible in 5 minutes.
Boss, it's done. I have mailed you.
Wow, great job. You and you all are fired. And you are getting promoted with a salary hike.
Thank you, sir.
The client will be so happy.
Do you know some magic?
Tell me the secret.
Just how did you do this?
I am integrating AI in MS Excel, which makes me analyze data in seconds. Check this out.
Supercharge your career by integrating AI tools for day-to-day work. 3x your salary and save 95% of your time while you are working. Join the Office Master Excel using AI workshop just at ₹99 and become irreplaceable in the job market by clicking on the link given below.